2019 Hyundai Sonata Sel 2.4L. Description. Year 2019. Make Hyundai. Model Sonata. Body style sedan. Condition certified. Mileage 60,999. Transmission automatic, 6 SPDW/overdrive and Shiftronic. Drivetrain FWD. Engine 4-cylinder, SULEV, 2.4 liter. Fuel type petrol. Fuel economy city 25/highway 33 estimated by E.P.A, actual mileage may vary. Exterior color red. Interior color black. Stock number 784845. VIN number 5 NPE 34AF8KH784845.